is sneaking after me. They just want to tear my feathers. The golden light of the setting sun, let me be a hypocrite again. I will be gone before long. I know. No matter how far I go, they find me out. I wish the gods took away my clue. I can't help this vague feeling. I feel so good, alive, we'll be alright. The moon so sad, confess my sin, conceals the moon. Night will come soon, as water everything. Quietly hiding in the grass, hearing the leaves nestling, dancing in with the burning behind.